Numeric and text attributes that can change over time are stored in variables. Position and speed are numeric attributes, so we'll use variables to keep track of their values. First, we'll create the speed variable. To do that, click the Code tab, then click Variables, now click Make a Variable, enter speed in the variable name box, and click OK. That will create the speed variable. Now, we also need variables for the spaceship's X position and Y position, their horizontal and vertical position. X position and Y position variables are predefined for every sprite, so we don't have to create these ourselves. To see these variables, just click the Code tab, then click Motion, and scroll to the bottom of the Motion section. For more great videos, please subscribe to the DSU Education channel. Thank you.